Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 21, OV 67. एकमहिती ग्रंथ वाचा, पुढे संगम महापुरुषाचा, मग ते पुढील कर्तव्याचा, उपदेश साचा करतील. One advised reading a book and predicted a meeting with a great saint who would give upadesh and advise further growth. दैवयोगे तेही भेटले, तेच ते हे खुणाही पटविले, परी ते एकाचे वाचिले, दुजिया आचरिले पाहिजे. By grace of God, he has been met, and he had indicated that he is the concerned person by significant words. The book has been read, but now it must be put into practice. तयासी म्हणती साईनाथ, अप्पांनी सांगितले ते यथार्थ, परी जेव्हा ते येईल कृतीत, पूर्ण मनोरथ तै होती. Then Sainath said to him, "Whatever Appa has told you is correct, but when you put it into practice, then only your wishes will be fulfilled." निश्चल दास विचार सागर, वडगावी भक्तार्थ झाला उच्चार, काळे ग्रंथ पारायणानंतर, शिर्डीत आचार कथियेला. Nishchal Das Vichar Sagar was mentioned in Vadgaon. Sometime after repeated readings and after a certain lapse of time, how to put it in practice was taught in Shirdi. ग्रंथ करावा आधी श्रवण, त्याचेच मग करावे मनन, होता पारायणावर्तन, निधिध्यासन होतसे. First, you must read the book carefully, then ponder upon it. With repeated readings, it will lead to total absorption in the subject. वाचिले ते नाही संपले, पाहिजे ते कृतीत उतरले, या उपड्या घड्यावर तोय ओतले, तैसे जाहले ते सकळ. Just reading is not enough. It should be put into practice. Otherwise, it is like water on a duck's back. व्यर्थ व्यर्थ ग्रंथ वाचन, हाती नये जो अनुभव ज्ञान, ब्रह्म संपन्न गुरुकृपे वीण, पुस्तकी ज्ञान निष्फळ. Mere reading is a waste of time till the meaning is not experienced, for which the blessings of a guru who has the knowledge of the Brahma is required. Mere bookish knowledge is futile. ये अर्थीची अल्पकथा, दावील भक्तीची यथार्थता, पुरुषार्थाची अत्यावश्यकता, श्रोता निजस्वार्था परिसिजे. A simple story depicting the meaning will bring out the importance of faith, which is most essential for attaining the goals of life. Listeners should listen to it for their benefit. एकदा एक पुण्यपट्टण कर, नामे अनंतराव पाटण कर, साई दर्शनी उपजला आदर, आले सत्वर शिर्डीस. Once a resident of Pune, whose name was Anantarao Patankar, who had developed urge for Sai's darshan, came to Shirdi soon. वेदांत श्रवण जाहला सकळ, सटीक उपनिषदे वाचिली समूळ, परी तन्मानस अक्षयी चंचळ, राहिना तळमळ तयाची. He had heard all the Vedas and read the original Upanishads along with the commentaries, but his mind remained always restless and peace of mind eluded him. घेता साई समर्थाचे दर्शन, निवाले पाटणकराचे नयन, करुणी पायाचे अभिवंदन, यथोक्त पूजन संपादिले. When he had taken Sai Samartha's darshan, Patankar's eyes were rewarded. After bowing down at his feet, he worshipped him with ritualistic accuracy.